Hello guys, I am Pankaj Kudal and I am doing internship in a profit gainer. You all are know we are providing the solution of the assignments and we had provided the many solutions of the assignments. So please check this through the link of description box. And you getting more the assignments and you like this, so please subscribe our channel. So let's start. In this video we solve the assignment of English AECC and you all are know that we have to attempt only 2 questions. So I am also solve only 2 questions in this video. So first is that what are the barriers of communication? How can you overcome these barriers? Explain. So let's see. Here the answer of this question. Classification of barriers of communication: channel noise, semantic noise. Okay. Difference. First is channel noise. So please pause the video, note it down. I request to all of you, please subscribe our channel and don't copy it properly. Please use your own word as well as possible. Okay, so here is a sub point. Communication selectivity for listening. Second is semantic noise, limited vocabulary. Please pause the video, note it down and don't forget to write the example of it, because the example is the most important. So here is a point, please note it. I think you may be noted then. So okay, consumption of the interfaces, block categories, categorical thinking, emotional statistics of overcome barriers of communication. This is the important part of this question, so please note this. Okay, here is a 7 C's. Yes, that is important. That is the most important of these questions, and please must be write this. Okay, so pause the video and note it. So let's move on our next question. Third is that what are the 4 type of reading? Explain with example. Okay, so here the answer of third question. Reading technique and skills. Pause the video, note it down. And there are 4 main reading techniques which are used for specific situation. First is scanning, second skimming, third intensive reading, and here is also this example for the extensive reading. So please pause it and note it. Okay, this is the remaining part of the fourth. Stalled, yes. So note it. Okay, thank you. I think this is very helpful for you.